Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, .NET-Dev-Journey with Jacob. This is a walkthrough video of my simple banking application. I've done quite a number of changes, upgrade to this code or this project as a whole, and I'm just going to quickly give us a run through or a walkthrough of the project. So let's see how it works. Just like the name implies, a simple banking project, and this is just a project to showcase my back-end development skill. So I'm going with open a new account, and before I do that, let's look at our files here to see that there is nothing in there. This is the log that shows that the application has been started. This is the customer. Let me widen this a little. So it's opened in here. Then let's go back to the code. So the last name, let's try Andrew. And other names, say Womack. I don't know the spelling properly, but let's say Andrew Womack. Thing. Then the date of birth. Let's use 1979. Then October 20th. And let's say Andrew at yahoo.com. Then it's saying which account would you like to open. Let's go with savings. So it's saying here your savings account number is this. Has generated the account number. And let's go to the file and let's see customer. We can see here we have a customer ID, which is a UID GUID. We have the last name Andrew, other names were Martin, the date of birth, Andrew at yahoo.com, and this is a list of the accounts that are linked to the customer. And right now we've got only just one savings account here, and here is the account number, which is what we have here. So let's continue. Let's try and open another account with the same name. Oh, because of time, I wouldn't want to do that. Just to see that if we try it is going to throw an error. So but let's proceed to making a deposit. So saying kindly enter account number. This is the account number, which amount to be deposited, 500. And here we have it, £500 deposited successfully. So now let's have a withdrawal, and we are trying to withdraw now. We're withdrawing £100, and it's saying £100 withdrawn successfully. So let's check our balance, which is 5, account number as well, saying your account number is £400. Your account balance rather is £400. And if we go check the file, we'll see that we have an account that has been generated. This is the account number. The account type is savings. The balance is 400. This is the date created. The account is active. And these are the two transactions, transaction ID, to show that two transactions are being performed on this account. And if we look at the transaction, we'll see that we have the transaction ID, the account number, amount 500, transaction type, that's a deposit one, and this is a transaction date. And here is the second operation, which is the second transaction that was carried out on the account, which was a withdrawal, yeah, a withdrawal transaction. And here we can see transaction type is 2, which represents a withdrawal. Yes, so we've got amount here 100. So these are the two transactions that has been performed. So let's go back to this place. And one thing we want to do is let's see the account history, transaction history, I mean to say. So, and here we've got the date, the transaction ID, the deposits, the transaction type, deposit of 500, withdraw of 100. So the next thing we want to do is let's try and update uh, customer profile, or let's activate. Let's go with activation. So let me deactivate this. So we are deactivating, which is option 2, and it's saying deactivated successfully. So now let's go back and try and make a withdrawal and see if we are going to be able to perform the operation. Saying transaction cancelled, account is deactivated. So 9, that brings me to the end of this. I'm just trying to make the video short. There are numbers, a number of operation that I skipped, which is the update customer profile. So the update customer profile simply performs two functions. One, to update the last name. Two, to update the email address. So I just kept it at that for now because it's just a project trying to show my backend development skill. And in this project, I use a lot of design technology and principle. You can check that out in my GitHub link. So you have everything detailed in there. You can also clone this project to add new things to it, make it yours, personalize it, do um a lot of practice. We'll just play around it and do what you can do with it. So thank you. I'm going to be dropping another video soon. Make sure you click the like button, you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can get updates on new videos that are being uploaded on my channel. And please do share this video to as many that you know would like to jump on this train of becoming a professional .NET developer. So this is a very good place to be. Thank you for joining in. See you in the next video. Bye.